What's up, fellow movie collectors? In this video I'll be looking at my movies with Octavia Spencer. I got quite a few movies to go through here, so I'll get right into it. First one I have here is her first movie I believe she did was A Time to Kill, also starring Sandra Bullock, Samuel L. Jackson. Never Been Kissed, Drew Barrymore, also on her. Martin Lawrence, Big Mama's House, The Journeyman, Spider-Man, SWAT, Legally Blonde, Bad Santa or Badder Santa unrated version, When a Date with Tad Hamilton, Breaking the Rules, Miss Congeniality 2, Coach Carter, is it the Ninos, I believe it's called, or Ninos, I don't know. The Minor Accomplishments of Jackie Woodman, 7 Pounds, Halloween 2, Rob Zombies, Drag Me to Hell, Dinner for Schmucks, Snowpiercer, Black or White, Badder Santa 2, and Instant Family. And those are my movies with Octavia Spencer. Thank you for watching.